Drunken Master 2 on Blu-ray. These are both Korean Blu-rays. I bought these off eBay. This is Dragons Forever. I got them off eBay because supposedly of the North American distribution rights to these are owned by someone, so they can't actually sell these in North America officially. So I had to go through a eBay seller to get them. And this looks like this looks like it has some emotional photos. It's been a long time since I've seen Dragons Forever. Last time I saw it was when I had it on VHS. And this one has some more photos. And I'll post a link to the seller in the description.